Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Polygon ZkEVM airdrop, but this time we are going to create a token on Polygon ZkEVM and deploy a contract. So if you are applying to this airdrop, these are tasks and actions that will put you ahead and above everyone else that is applying to this airdrop. Usually Airdrop Hunters or people participating, even bots, don't do these actions. So if this is a requirement for an airdrop or maybe a boost, you are going to be ahead of many other people. So like always in my videos, we are going to check step by step on how you can do this. So I will bring you all the information that you need. And we are going to check my Polygon ZkEVM airdrop. Is it still valid? So first you will need to do this before applying to the token and the contract, because that is the recommended step by step. I also did a video on how to create a token and deploy a contract on Zksync. So if you are doing Zksync, check that video too. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans. Well, first of all, remember that the step 1 of this tutorial is all the steps to apply to the Polygon ZkEVM airdrop are here. I already covered that in the past, so here you can see my video step by step and everything that you need to do. Join the social media, use the official bridge, then you can use third-party bridge like Arbitrum or others that are listed here in this video too. Then you can go check on DeFi Jama, the ecosystem. Also go to QuickSwap, go to OBX, go to Dobish, all these applications, you can interact with them and do all the steps here, even the last one for the NFTs. So all that you need to do for the airdrop of Polygon ZkEVM is in this video. So that is our step 1 on this video. After you complete that, you go to step 2, which is go to the third wave. This is a place that you can go, and without any knowledge of coding or web development, you are going to be able to create a token and to deploy the contract. So let's go to third web, click on contracts, connect your wallet at the top right and make sure that you are already connected to Polygon ZkEVM and click ready to deploy. So let's go here to the website. Before we connect to the website, remember we are going to open our Metamask, but we are going to do it on the ZkEVM network. So I will click this and then connect to my wallet on Metamask. In my case, you can see I already have funds. Remember, you are going to need a little bit of Ethereum to do these transactions. So after you connect here, you have your Metamask. You are already on ZkEVM. You need to accept and sign this message. After you sign it, you can see you are connected. Go here to contracts. You can see I already have contracts deployed here, even one on Polygon ZkEVM, but I will do it again for you. Now click on deploy contract. After you do that, we go to step 3, which is we are going to choose the contract that we want to deploy. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to do with a token. So we are going to create a new token on Polygon ZkEVM. So click on deploy after that. So here we go here and click token. You can see the contract and everything here that you are going to deploy, and click on deploy now. Now step 4, we need to fill up everything. So we already are. If not, you need to select Polygon ZkEVM on the network section. Then you fill up the name, the symbol and the description. You can put an image if you want, and then click deploy now. You will be asked to sign 2 transactions in your wallet. So let's go and do that steps. So you can see we completed all the fields here, and here you need to be sure that says Polygon ZkEVM. After you do that, click here on deploy now. This is going to pop up 2 transactions. First, we are deploying the contract. You can see this costs less than $1, this transaction. And now this is adding to the dashboard, so we need to also confirm this transaction. So go until the end and sign this. Remember, this second step is not going to cost you anything. And down here you can see successfully deployed the smart contract. So you are done with the part of the deployment of the contract. All this is transparent. This is already created on the Polygon ZkEVM. This is mainnet, guys. Now we go to step 5, which is now that it's deployed, you need to mint some tokens. So we go to the tokens page, click on mint and fill out how many tokens you want to mint and sign the transaction. So we are here, we go to tokens, we go to mint, and we are going to put here how many tokens we want for this. That I want to mint that amount of tokens. The transaction is going to be 1. Doesn't matter if you put 1 token or 1 billion tokens. You can see 16 cents for the transaction, and it was successfully mint. The tokens have been successfully mint. Guys, with that you already have those transactions, the contract creation and the token creation and mint on your Polygon ZkEVM. That will help you to the airdrop, and if they check about these transactions, they are going to see what they are. So if that is maybe a boost on your reward or a qualification for the criteria, you are going to be super safe. Here guys, you have the address. So now, for example, you can go here on your Polygon ZkEVM. I will click on import tokens and I will paste the contract. And you are going to see that automatically says the symbol that I put, and I can add those custom tokens. This guys is live, is mainnet. These tokens actually are moving and are minted into the mainnet of Polygon ZkEVM. And you can send these tokens, do whatever you want. Even if you have a crypto project, this is an easy way to do this. So guys, you are done. This is how to make these transactions and create the contract and tokens in Polygon ZkEVM without knowing any code experience. Remember that first you need to do this video in order to get the most possible task done for your Polygon ZkEVM airdrop. And also, I also did this for Zksync, so you can check it. And if you want to make another step in your Airdrop Hunter path, you need to follow me in my private Discord. So click here on subscribe now, and you can also add your app. This is an application that I created. There's 2 videos of how my app works. It's going to help you a lot to create your airdrops, to apply to the airdrops and organize them, even if you are using multiple wallets. Guys, that is all for this Polygon ZkEVM airdrop video. Create a token, deploy a contract. You are going to be ahead of many of the rest of the airdrop hunters. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Don't forget to follow me at CryptoZState. This is in Twitter. CryptoZState is appearing right now. Follow me there to get all the last news that I publish there, only on Twitter. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.